guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and we are still continuing with our Christmas DIY projects. So today we will be doing a decorative orb that you can use to hang on your Christmas tree. Let me apologize first for the first part of the clip. I did record it with my phone and it was in portrait mode, so that's why you'll see that the first part, the video is vertical, but towards the end it gets better. You'll start with your balloon. You're going to inflate it. If you don't have this blower, you can use your mouth. So this size. So the next thing, you're going to take your wood glue and you're going to white and then mix it with a little bit of water. So this is where you're going to dip your yarn before you wrap it around the balloon. So take your yarn and dip it in this glue and water mixture. I don't want to cut it because I'm not sure exactly how much yarn I'll need, so I'll just work with it as I go. Don't mind, this project is a bit messy. Now you'll start wrapping the yarn around your balloon. There's no specific style of wrapping it, so just do it the way you'd like. So this is how your balloon should look like, and you're going to leave it for 24 hours for it to dry, and then you're going to come back. So your yarn balloon is all dried up. What you're going to do is poke the balloon so that it detaches from the yarn. So that's your yarn. So what you're going to do next is take a little bit of wood glue. Just a little bit. And then take a little bit of water and mix. So apply this mixture onto your yarn. Now take your glitter. So much guys for watching today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. So until tomorrow, bye.